We do one slow, two fast, one slow, two fast. 1, 2, faster, 3, 4, repeat, 5, 6, faster, 7, 8, brush, 1, passing a little bit. Do you remember? Refresh your memory. When you do the front leg passing, the knee go back first on 2, and the back 3, tailbone go first, and lower leg. To the side, plie, knee pulling up, and pull the passing high. Okay? After this, you finished, you go front, you go definitely to the side, round around to the side, continue to the back, to the attitude. Okay? After this, you go plie to the first position. And then we do port de bois, circle front. And port de bois, circle back. And then turn your back, slide down all the way, and then up, you plie, back passing, front attitude. Arm open, slow, back, faster, repeat, slow, back, faster, brush, knee go back first, plie, tailbone back first, plie, knee go up, and develop pace, stay, don't move, be strong, to the side, to the back, attitude hold, if you can, check, release bar if you can, and plie, fix, pulling one, circle front, and up, pulling one, circle back, and up, outside leg turn you back, slide down all the way, and up.